this video I figured out how to make video games fun again. But the best thing is, having more fun is not the only benefit of this. There has been many videos recently about how video games have stopped being fun for some mysterious reason. And I think I know the reason. Get your popcorn, I'm going to explain it now. I don't know how many of you relate to this, but when I was a kid I couldn't always play video games. Didn't have a computer or anything, so I would just watch YouTubers play video games and I would daydream about how one day I will be able to play them too. And once I finally did, it was honestly the most fun thing ever. For some time. Until I got used to the amount of dopamine that video games release, and then I needed more. And I did start playing more and more and more for hours. But the reverse was happening. The more I was getting used to it, the less fun it was becoming. It was only once I, got a life, that when I would eventually find a little bit of time to play video games, they would actually be just as fun as they were in the beginning. So you make video games more fun by playing them less often. And this is a double win, because whether you want to face it or not, video games are not healthy for you. Part of the reason why you're antisocial and sad is because you play video games all day inside of your room and you don't socialize. And no, talking to people in the voice chat of a video game is not socializing. Listen, video games are amazing, they are incredibly fun, but sometimes we have to give up things that are amazing. That was cringe. So the time that you will spend playing video games, try spending it in a gym. Try spending it researching how you can improve your life and implementing those things. And your life will become so much better in a matter of weeks. And then also, once you come back to video games, they will become much more fun. And now, should you eventually stop playing video games completely is a topic for another video. One I haven't made yet. But if you want to watch a video that I have made, you can watch this video over here where I found 5 of the most bizarre self-improvement apps on the internet and I put them to a test. All you gotta do is click right here.